Hi, it's KRankin and I'm back with KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. And I'm just going to do a really quick video. This is the Pampered Chef Deluxe Grill and Griddle. We're going to make some quick and easy Naan pizzas. Naan bread is this kind of bread. I think it's a Middle Eastern or Asian type of bread. The ingredients is pizza sauce, Naan bread, and cheese, and we're going to put pepperoni on top. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the griddle. We're going to use the top and bottom functionality, which means we can make the top hotter than the bottom. So we don't want to burn the bottom of the Naan bread, but we want to toast and make the cheese all melty and nice and good, melty with the sauce, and make sure the sauce is warmed up without burning our bread. So what we're going to do is we're going to select custom, and we're going to preheat, and we're going to go top and bottom. We're going to put the top, the 480, and we're going to put the bottom to 350. So that's going to preheat. So we're going to make two. And we're going to put some pizza sauce on. And this recipe comes in the book. The cooking griddle comes with a book with lots of recipes in it. And this is one to get you started. So there's 3 recipes that are on the very first page of the recipes: all-in-one breakfast, quick Naan pizzas, and your perfect cheeseburger. So the idea is you can use the griddle for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let me get a spoon. Spread that around. Some of that over here. Put some cheese. I like cheese. Okay. And I've got some pizza pepperoni already sliced to go with our quick and easy theme. This kind of reminds me of when I was a kid and doing pizzas with the English muffins. We didn't have Naan bread back then. Okay, so we're just going to wait a bit for those pans or plates to heat up, and then we'll put on the pizzas, and we'll hover the top plate over so that the bottom gets nice and toasty, but not too fast, so that the top gets nice and melty and warm. And as always, while this is heating up, I'll talk about my journey with Pampered Chef. I've been with Pampered Chef for 3 months. And I joined just because I wanted to have some extra pocket money. And what question I asked before I kind of bit the bullet and joined was, do I get to keep the products that I get in my kit? And I did. So to me, it was like buying products that I'd be able to keep and get commission on parties that I was going to have people host. So far I've gotten lots of free stuff, great commission, and lots of growth from being in the group that I'm in. The Pampered Chef groups that you sign up for, they give you really great positive training. Everybody's there to help you. They just want to see you succeed, and it's a really, really good growth opportunity as well as money, and the money is great. So if you'd like to join me in the business, I would be so happy and excited for you to join me as my partner in the Pampered Chef business. So we're still waiting on the grill to heat up. So the grill has beeped. It is now preheated and it is prompting us to add. So I am just going to lift these and place them very carefully on the grill. I am going to move this down so that it's just, and I'm going to push this a little bit so it hovers, just hovers over the pizzas. And I'm going to hit the timer again, and we'll be back when those are finished. So that beeping tells us that it is done. One thing I will point out is if you lifted this and said, you know what, I think maybe I need 30 seconds, you can put the lid down and there's an add 30 seconds button. So if you're not quite where you want to be, you can keep the grill plates heated because they'll maintain that temperature until the time is up. If you want to add 30 seconds, keep the grill plates at the temperature that you had them and just finish it off a little bit. You can do that with that button. So with that is done. We're going to hit cancel to turn the grill off, and we're just going to flip them onto the cutting board, and I'm just gonna, not too hot. Can you see the bottom? The bottom is beautifully toasted and the top is melty, cheesy, goody, good. Oh, look at that. It's just, and that is easy, quick Naan pizzas on the Pampered Chef Deluxe Grill and Griddle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you would like me to do videos on anything in particular, please leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.